Hello guys, Sam here. I decided to just take a little bit of a break from UCN just so that I can mentally prepare myself for what this next challenge is going to be, because it's gonna change a lot more than what Bear's attack was. I don't think there's any single recurring character that we're gonna be facing here except for Helpy. And oh dear, 10? 10 on Helpy? Oh, we'll be fine. I can only hope. It doesn't look like a lot of animatronics, but I'm kind of scared. Because I have tried playtesting this before when I was kind of struggling with Night 3. Yeah, it's pretty difficult, and considering what I experienced with JJ last time, I'm gonna have to keep a serious eye on her. Yeah. I'm probably gonna have this little talk segment shortened down a bit, keeping it nice and simple, and then the rest of it just be gameplay. I just want to quickly explain, so if you see me playing like absolute garbage, that's probably why. Mute call. Fan off. You bye-bye. Ooh, this is go away. Go away. You go. What was that?
I always come back.
Huh? What? I could have swore I checked the vents. Does he not show up on vents? Is that what this is? A lot of noise been caused. He must not show up on vents. Close the right vent door to block him. Okay, so if we go into the vents, yeah, we could close. Wait, what? That didn't block the vent? How does one block a vent? Go away! Hi! Yes, hello. I need to really be watching that music box, because that's... How does one close that side vent? How does one close the side vent?
Always come back.
How does one close the side vent? Close the side vent is F key. Interesting. I hope it doesn't take power. Oh, it does take power. Okay, I'm screwing myself over. That's gonna screw me over. Skip, stop, get to C. Oh my god. Okay, 3 a.m. is gonna be where you... Alright, as long as I keep that... No! As long as I keep that side vent closed, then I should be okay, right? Okay, hi. Please don't. Stop, please. Stop it. I really hate the noise animatronics. Yeah, keep the noise down or you'll begin to hear his cymbals crash faster and faster, eventually leading to a jump scare. So I need a death coin. Okay. Please don't. I'm sure that it is like music to you. Okay, 2 a.m. Get back your coin. We're gonna need all the coins we can get. We're gonna need all the coins we can get, and you're gonna stay wound up. I forgot that you exist, and I need to keep this on. Okay. We need to death coin Music Man, because if I don't death coin him, he's going to ruin my run. Okay, just gotta check on him. I mean, that's the whole point of this, right? Is to keep you on your toes, to keep you paying attention. So... Wait a minute. It's not letting me use the death coin. What do you mean? Didi? Did you? No, you didn't. Oh, that's just a chance thing. Is that always gonna be a chance thing? Oh, I would have not been able to beat that night. Didi. Oh, Didi, what am I gonna do about you? Nothing, apparently, and I can't do anything about... Not bad. Hee hee, hee hee. Take that marionette. Take that marionette. Take that. Take that. I am done. Shoot. Oh, Death Coin, how I love you. I'm not falling for that. Because last thing I want to do is get burned. Go away. Is there something in the vent system I should be worried about? Duct system, anything? Wait, so this is an easy... So this should be... Wait a minute. Oh, come on. I saw that. Oh, crap. Yeah, no. Yeah, I kind of... Wow. I can't click your nose? Oh, right, it's about to be... Yeah, I'm dead. Nah, man, I'm dead. How much power is that using? Ooh, gosh. Oh, dear. That is using up a lot of power. We're gonna need the power generator on, unfortunately. Wait, quick, go back. Sweet, okay. Stop it. I don't know how much teas you got, buddy. All I know it's a lot. Okay, we're gonna just have to be very, very watchful of that side vent. Gonna take that on, we're gonna just... Shut up. Oh god. Holy cow, what's using up all that noise? What is... Oh. Where is the button? Where's the mute call button? Yeah. Nothing in that bad. I'm having to like kind of use my dual monitor setup to kind of help me see. Aha! Haha! I saw you. I saw you. Oh, we're not doing too hot on power. Go! Stop it! Yeah. Oh hi. Crap! I knew I was forgetting about you. I'm not even in your way. You're in my way out of everyone here. Yeah, thanks. That's not gonna help unless they have anything like, I don't know, earmuffs for, like, this guy? I'll take that. Great. We're really not doing great. I don't call this great at all. What do you mean? Stop it. Shh. Quietness. So at least, I mean, he's just slightly more manageable, but not by a lot. Oh, Christ, I forgot you were a thing. I don't need to see you. Oh, why did you get... oh, come on. I missed it like by a hair. No. No. Let me in. Yes, indeed, you brought the show right to me, and I didn't need it yet. Go away. Shut up. I knew it. Who is it? Oh, it's you. Disgusting piece of garbage. Ooh. Up, up, up. Mm. Mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. Please don't. Stop. Go away. Stop it. Stop. Stop. Ay, 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 da, 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 da. Da, stop it. You, ba, ba, ah, be, ah, ba, ba. Okay. So. I hate that I can't see that side. I can't see that corner of the screen. Because my stupid setup. This is like, I have the worst setup imaginable. Because I literally have a drawing tablet that takes up the one corner of my, oh, that's convenient. The one corner of my screen. Oh! Hi, go away please. I don't need you. Oh, I need to check that guy. I have a feeling, I have a gut feeling. Okay, please. When is 5 a.m.? Oh, thank goodness! Oh, thank goodness! Okay, we just gotta keep this up, right? We just gotta keep this up, and then we'll be okay. We'll be okay. Yes! Go, go, get. Oh, ah. Stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, go away. Shh. Stop it. No. No. I will not have this happen. We are not going to let this happen. We're not going to let this ruin my day. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. Oh. What? Only 800? Oh, nah. Nah. No. Oh. Oh, that's evil. Oh, I love that that didn't get me. Oh, hi. Oh, oh crap, you're fast. Oh, you're fast. No, I see. Nope. You guys are really bad, and you guys drive me up insane. I can't. Why? You two are like a combo. Go away. Combo. Oh, thank God. Oh, as long as I could just stare at him and not have him be. Deja vu. Do 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 do. God damn it. I got a copyright cough. Yep, that's it. It's death coin time. Oh, gang up on me. I would have... Stop it. Just stop. Please. Stop! Stop. I knew you'd get me eventually. No, you got me like every other time, dude. God. You guys are the most inseparable duo. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Stop it. Stop. Stop. Ah. Ah. You! Again with you two! Oh. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, and I hate you. I hate you. I hate you and I hate you. This is like the worst mashup of animatronics you could ever have. I would not survive like a minute. And you dirty douche. You douche. You douchey dirty dude dot nope. Beep bop boop beep bop. Beh. Bip bip. Something. I need coins. I need goddamn coins. No. Shut up. Go away. JJ. Don't make me keep I'll keep this door closed all night. I don't care if it costs me. I don't care how much it's cost me. Well, screw that. Screw that. Screw that. Didn't check the time. 2 a.m. Are you serious? One more coin. One more coin. One more coin and then this can all be over. And then this can all be over. Stop! That's coin time! No! No! Let me do it! Let me do it! Please let me do it! Oh! Ah! Oh! Go away! Shoo you! I don't care! Go away! I don't care! Shush! No, I'm staying on his camera. 50% power. Where is the mute call button? I don't know how it was so close. I forgot to check the vent. Is anyone else in that vent? Apparently not. Okay, we're okay. Son of a... Getting so mad that I'm losing my voice. I'm losing my sanity. I'm losing my will to survive. Break. Nah, I think I need a full-blown 2-part video on this crap because this is just crazy. You expect me, a non-gamer, to stop it? No one else? Okay. Ah! Science. Okay, guys. Just for science. We're doing this for science. Because this Devil Duo likes to come around and just completely screw me over. This Devil Duo loves to screw me over. Go away. Stop. Stop. Go away. Shh. Ah! What is your deal, lady? Stop. Beep up.
It's time to take your final bow.
That will be my final bow. That's something for me to discover next video. Or next time. I don't know if the video is going to be long enough for me to upload it to YouTube. If it is, then sure. What I'm saying right now, it may not even matter. Because I might just add on to it. But something tells me that the next video I make on this specific night is going to be a lot quicker because I'm just not going to give up. I'll force myself to. But I don't have the mental capabilities right now to, beat this night. I just can't.